Ctube solar series of products are manufactured according to AI's NZI's 2053 standard, commonly applied for outdoors and indoors projects. For example, outdoors high UV exposure, underground, concrete, seaside and industrial. Main market is Oceania area. For solar series, we have heavy-duty PVC rigid conduits and corrugated conduits. The popular use color in Australian and New Zealand markets are grey and orange. Nominal size of rigid conduits are range from 60 mm to 150 mm. Corrugated conduits are 60 mm to 50 mm. Fittings like IP67 protection grade adaptable box, deep and shallow junction box to connect with 20 mm and 25 mm conduits for wiring outlet. Bands and solid coupling. The sides are made to match the conduit size. And rigid conduit adapter with lock ring, corrugated conduit adapter, etc. After the product's introduction, let's come to some performances of products. The first one, UV resistance. The conduit can be directly exposed in the sun for a very long time without aging to protect the inside wiring or cables for make sure the safe use of electricity. Our solar series of products meet grade 5 of UV resistance test. The second one, fire resistance. The fire rated of our products is the highest grade, V0. The fire on the conduit must extinguish within 10 seconds after leaving open fire and without any combustible drops. The third one, compression and impact resistance. Our conduits can stand heavy force with no break or crush. Last point is about the markings on the rigid conduits. Let's have a look. Good quality products can solve many problems for you and save the maintenance cost after application. For ensuring quality, all our products are made of 100% brand new high quality materials and never use recycled materials or waste materials. Welcome to contact us for more information.